What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to talk about puts and gets. Puts and gets are basically same as printf and scanf statement. Printf is the one that displays on the screen, and scanf is the one that gets the input from the user. Here puts is the one that displays on the screen, and gets is the one get the input from the user. This is for string, so here both of them are going to be strings. We get the string from the user and we display the string on the screen. Okay, now the difference is in scanf we know that, for example, if I type my full name Diliban Nagarasa, so if I type my full name in scanf it doesn't go to the next one. If it see a space, it end it right over there, right? This is what happened in scanf. But here in gets, it will also take this space and the whole thing. That's one of the good thing about this puts and gets. Now let's go ahead and create a program. In that program, the user is going to enter a cat's name and also cat's food, and it's going to print that on the screen. Okay, now let's go ahead and create that one. Here first I'm going to introduce character type of variable. So character, let's say cat's name. I'm going to create an array for that. Let's say 50. This is the storage. Like, make sure it's bigger so it can have more spaces. Okay, that's why I put 50. And then character cat's food, let's put something like 25. And the next one is character sentence. Okay, 75, 76, whatever, equal to, and this is the one that's going to print on the screen finally. Now let's go ahead and get the put. Actually, put is the print. It's similar to printf statement. Puts. It's going to ask. It's going to be a prompt for the user. So here we are going to ask what the cat's dumb name. Okay, here we ask the user to enter the cat's name, and in gets we are going to get the input from the user. That's going to be cat's name. Okay, that's it, cat's name. Okay, here one important thing to note is whenever we had, okay, let's get rid of this printf. Okay, whenever we have put in printf statement, we put a new line, right? But for puts we don't have to put the new line because it's by default it's already there. You won't see it, but by default it's already there. If I run this one, okay, there's something wrong. Gets cat's name. Okay, let me see, return 0. Puts, what's it? Okay, oh, I had to put a semicolon here. Let me run this one again. Okay, what is the cat's dumb name? And here you can see the cursor blinking in the next line because the new line is already there. So we don't have to go and put a new line. If you put a new line, it's going to represent double new line. So it's going to go one line below. Okay, so we don't have to put the new line. Now let's go ahead and continue. The next thing is we are going to ask the user to input the food name. So puts, this is the prompt for the input. What does he eat? What does he eat? And this semicolon, gets cat's food. And finally we had to print everything. But before we do that, I'm going to put a string cat. String cat is the one that tag one string at the end of the other. So here we are going to use string cat to combine everything together. So first we put sentence, cat's name, let's copy this and paste it 3 times, 2 times actually. Sentence cat's name, and second one we are going to print loves to eat. And cat's food. For example, Taliban loves to eat cat's food, something like that. It's going to print something like that. And here we are going to put, this is a final printf statement, puts sentence. Okay, now let's go ahead and run this one. What does the cat, what the cat's dumb name? Let's call this cat Pussy McStanky. Okay, and it's asking what does he eat. I should put a question mark. Okay, whatever. What does he eat? We are going to say fish. Pussy McStanky loves to eat fish. Also, I have to, if I want to make it neater, I put a question mark here, and also I leave a space, and when I run it again, it's going to look good. Pussy McStanky, what does he eat? Fish. Pussy McStanky loves to eat fish. Oh, I made another mistake. Cat's food. I have to leave a space here too if I want to create a space after eat. Pussy McStanky fish. Pussy McStanky loves to eat fish. Now it looks perfect. And that's how we work with this puts and gets. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to try these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link in the description, so you can go ahead and see all these codes. There's also my previous codes also there. You can go ahead and try all these codes. Thanks for watching.